Like Coca-Cola, Tesla, and Greggs, most of the top banks in the UK are household names. But just because you've heard of Monzo or Nationwide, it doesn't mean it's always clear what each bank is uniquely good for. So that's exactly what I'm going to run through in this video. I'm going to take you through 7 of the best current accounts in the UK, looking at the specific, unique selling points of each one so that you can get a better idea of which bank account might suit you the best, whether you want travel perks or cashback offers, access to savings accounts, or extra features. And as always, if you like this video, give us some love below and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Let's kick things off with Starling Bank. So for years now, Starling has been a really solid current account option and one of the top digital challenger banks on the market. And it's our top overall, especially when it comes to spending abroad. The account itself is free to use, but Starling also offers fee-free spending abroad and no cap on free cash withdrawals abroad, other than a daily cash withdrawal limit of 300 quid. For comparison, Monzo only offers unlimited free cash withdrawals in the UK and in countries in the European Economic Area. Otherwise, there is a limit of £200 on free cash withdrawals, after which you're charged a 3% fee. And Lloyds Bank, for example, will charge both a transaction fee and a cash withdrawal fee abroad. On the downside, I think Starling is starting to lose its grip on that digital challenger top spot. Starling will no longer pay interest on current account balances from February 2025, which was one of its biggest features that really set it apart from digital challengers like Monzo and Revolut. And if you are looking for extras like investing options or premium account options that you could upgrade to, even if that's something you want to do later down the line, Starling's not going to be the account for you. It's pretty basic in its offering, with the main account options limited to a current account, savings account, and a business account. To summarise, if travel is your thing though, Starling does remain one of the best options for overseas spending and cash withdrawals. Next up is Monzo, and this one's for you if you love a current account that is packed with features and you want your bank to align with your green values. Like Starling, Monzo's standard account is free. However, it also offers premium accounts with extra features that will charge a monthly fee. But what I especially love is that even that free account is packed with genuinely useful features like cashback offers, budgeting tools, and spending insights. You can also open a free Monzo Flex credit card, open a savings or business account, start investing with Monzo's 3 ready-made fund options, upgrade to one of those premium accounts I mentioned, which offer extra things like a free weekly Greggs and travel insurance. And Monzo recently also launched a pension product and a kids account for under 16s, which you can currently join the waitlist for. And on the green side, Monzo has really ambitious net zero targets, and it doesn't invest or lend to fossil fuel businesses, so a big win for eco-conscious users. Monzo's downsides include those free cash withdrawal limits outside the UK and EEA of just £200 a month, and while it does offer cash deposit options, there's a limit of £1,000 on cash deposits every 6 months. So that's a limit of just £166 a month that you can deposit in cash, which would be quite restrictive if you're someone who likes to pay in cash to their bank account on the regular. So in summary, if features, flexibility with account options and sustainability matter to you, Monzo is a standout choice. Revolut is next and is our top pick for being a multifunctional app that's kind of like a one-stop shop for your finances. Like Monzo, Revolut offers a free standard account with premium plans available for a monthly fee. Revolut really does a lot. A huge draw are its international money services, from competitive exchange rates to multi-currency accounts. It's got you covered. You can also trade cryptocurrencies, commodities, and individual stocks via the app, earn cashback, earn interest on your savings, and rack up Revolut points to spend on flights, hotels, and experiences. Plus, it has 4 premium accounts, a variety of business accounts, trading accounts, and even an account for kids. So you can really use Revolut for most of your personal finance needs. Plus, Revolut has just become a fully licensed bank, so you can expect even more features and money products coming soon. That said, there are a couple of downsides. So there's a 1% weekend fee that you'll be charged for currency conversions Saturday and Sunday, which you can avoid by converting money outside of these hours. and the best exchange rates available with Revolut tend to be locked behind a paid subscription. Also, even though I just said Revolut is now technically a bank, they are going through what's known as a mobilization period, which is where Revolut starts to implement all of the systems it needs to operate as a bank after having been granted its license. So you may be waiting a little while yet for those banking features. With all of that going on in Revolut, if you are looking for an all-in-one finance app, Revolut is a strong contender. And you can click the link below for a spend 20, get 20 quid back sign-up bonus with Revolut if you think this is the bank for you. Now let's talk about Lloyds Bank, the first traditional high street bank on our list and our top pick for payment options. The standard Lloyds current account comes with no monthly fees and is a solid choice for its payment features, offering the ability to send and receive international payments with an extensive branch network if you prefer in-person banking. Plus, you can earn up to 15% cashback on everyday spending with no extra cost. However, Lloyds does fall short when it comes to app features, especially when compared to digital challengers like Monzo and Revolut, which are bursting with tools and features. Although you could upgrade to a paid-for account like a Club Lloyds account if you wanted some extra bang for your buck. So yeah, Lloyds is your guy for payment features and those who love to physically go into their local bank branch. Moving on to Nationwide, an account that's geared towards savers. Again, no monthly account fees here, and the standout perk is its Flex Regular Saver, which offers an impressive 6.5% interest for 12 months. Being a regular saver, you will need to pay in a set amount each month, up to a maximum of £200 a month. And if you're switching over to a Nationwide Flex current account, you can currently take advantage of a £175 bank switch deal. Regular savers typically offer higher rates because they're designed for you to leave your money in the account for the whole term of the offer, as well as paying that set amount each month. And with Nationwide's Linked Saver, it's worth bearing in mind that you will get a lower interest rate of just 1.75% if you make more than 3 withdrawals across the year, so it really is better suited to long-term savings. Also, like Lloyds, its banking app isn't as advanced as the digital challengers. So if a solid savings rate is your top priority, Nationwide is really worth considering. Let's talk about Chase, whose main USP is cashback. So if that's what you want from your bank, Chase can help you out. With no monthly fees, Chase offers 1% cashback on everyday debit card spending for your first year. And as an additional boost, if you choose to do spare change roundups, Chase will give you 5% interest on your spare change pot. Downsides to Chase are really the limits on cashback, so you can only earn up to £15 a month. So even despite the high cashback rate, you can only earn a maximum of £180 cashback in your first 12 months. Plus, being an American bank, Chase has no physical bank branches in the UK, and as of yet, no cash or cheque deposit feature. So something to bear in mind if you like to pay in cash into your current account or like to visit your bank in person. So yeah, for cashback, Chase delivers great value, especially in your first year. Finally, let's wrap up with Kroo, a digital challenger offering the highest in-credit interest rate on current account balances with no monthly account fees. At the time of filming, Kroo is offering an impressive 3.65% interest on balances up to £500,000. I say at the moment because Kroo's interest rate is a tracker rate, which tracks the Bank of England base rate. So when that moves, so does Kroo's rate. Now, typically, most banks tend to raise or lower their interest rates when the base rate moves, but Kroo stands out for being transparent about its rates. Kroo's tracker rate sits 1.10% below the base rate, so you always know where you stand with the bank when the base rate shifts. 3.65% is, of course, a lot lower than Nationwide's Flex Saver, for example. So if you are looking to maximize your savings by earning interest, then there are better accounts for that out there. But Kroo is allowing you to earn interest on the cash just sitting in your current account, a feature none of the other banks in this video are offering, including Starling from February when they lose that feature. Kroo is also one of the simpler digital challenger apps, but it often comes out with new features, so it could end up competing with Monzo and Revolut one day, so watch this space. If earning interest on your current account is your priority, Kroo is the one to beat. Each of these banks has its own strengths, whether it's Starling for travel, Monzo for extra features, or Kroo for that unbeatable interest rate. So the best choice really depends on what you are looking for. So let me know in the comments which one caught your eye. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.